All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about USDC crop farmers. Yep, I made another claim. I'm literally got 50% of my money back. I'm going to show you everything about USDC pegged to $1. Don't have to worry about the coin losing 30 or 40 or 70% next week, which is fantastic. We're also going to look at coin market cap. There's a lot of green on the board, which has got to make everybody feel good that's got cryptocurrency, so we're going to check that out. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day own some cryptocurrency, be in some projects, and be having a good old time. Again, I'm not a financial planner. All this information is for educational purposes only. I'm also going to talk about BUSD crop farmers at the end. Don't have to worry about that coin losing 30 or 40%. I've already got all my money back and 40% on that one. All right, everybody, USDC crop farmers. All right, here we are at USDC crop farmers. There's $349,000 locked up in this actual program. There's 1764 deposit count. A couple things for you that don't know about this. Get 8% daily, 29.20 APR. Get an 8% referral bonus if you share this with any of your friends. 4% hiring bonus. So that means 4 times 10. By the time you get to the 10th compound, the ninth one that turns into the 10th, you're actually getting 40% hiring bonus. There's a 12-hour compound timer. So the way to play the game is you should be compounding two times a day. For example, let's say you do it at 9 a.m. and you do it at 9 p.m. or 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. After you actually make your compound or withdrawal, there's a 4-hour withdrawal cooldown period. So you can't withdraw and then an hour later withdraw. That prevents the contract from getting slaughtered. There's also a 48-hour reward accumulation cutoff. This is really a 5-in-2 miner. They say it's a 6-in-1, but it's a 5-in-2. Do the math. If you compound twice a day, that's 2 times a day, times how many days? 5 would get you to the 10 compound. So on the 6th day, you would let your cart fill up. And on the 7th day, you would let your cart fill up. So it's really you're compounding for 5 days. You're filling up your cart on your 6th. You're filling it up all the way to the end on the 7th. And then you're claiming your money. All right, if you decide to claim the money too early, you're going to pay an 80% tax. Don't do it, everybody. Play the game the way you're supposed to. But the 80% does stay in the contract, so it does strengthen the contract by not playing it right. I would play it the proper way. All right. Actually, I claimed it this morning before I walked out the door. If you take a look here, I have 1 hour and 30 minutes before my next hiring bonus. But take a look here. I put $500 in here. If you looked at my last video in USDC, I'll actually link it at the bottom so you can see. I have about $197 there. I claimed today $69.31. I didn't move it from my wallet so you can see it. So by claiming that, that put me at sold crops of 267. So I've already received 50% of my money back in this project. Put 500 in. When I compound, basically the 500 I compound, those 10 times, it goes here. And I got 1,161 farmers that are doing the work. Says I'm making $35 a day. So every day I'm making $35. But again, 2 of those days would fill up my cart, which is around $70. Take a little bit of fees out. There's your $69 that I claimed, but 10 hours ago. All right, I have 3 people that I referred to the program. I appreciate the referrals. If you feel I do a good job, click my link at the bottom. Get yourself started. The nice thing about this project is you don't have to calculate. Let's talk about like Drip Garden for a second. I love the project, but if you would have got in Drip when it was 170 a token and now it's $18, even when you're compounding your head off, it's going to take a long time just to get to where you were. Or what if you bought the token at $100 and now it's 18? It's 18% of what it was when it was 100. So even though it's 1% a day, it's 1% of what the coin is worth. Well, you figure it out, how you're going to get your money back and everything. And I'm in Drip. I love the Drip thing. Oh, by the way, they launched the animal farm and they launched the piggy bank. Good job, Forex. your movie failure to launch is no longer your favorite movie. Now you're actually launching things. Good job and everything. But my point is, and I'm not beating up on Drip on this, but again, the coin went all the way up to 170, even at 100 or 120. If you would have put $1,000 in when the coin was 120, let's say you put $1,000 in when it was 80, the coin's $18 now. Again, yeah, you're getting 1% of the $18, but it's hard when you actually put more money in, the coin is down. Don't have to worry about that with BUSD. It's pegged to $1. So for everybody that doesn't know about this, okay, also you have to approve your USDC when you actually get started. It says right here, 100 actual farmer. If you put $100 in, you would hire 2,600 farmers. Now I also want to show you BUSD farmers. Now BUSD, there's 1.3 million in this contract. You know, again, it's pegged to $1, but take a look. I put $250 in this project. I did this one before the USDC, and I've already received $350 back. So I got my money back plus 40%. Both of these are great projects because it's got all the mechanisms of the having a compound 10 times, getting charged 80% tax if you do it early, the cooldown periods, filling up your cart, the whole 9 yards. But again, being transparent, put $250 in, my initial deposit, sold $352. That's my money back plus $102. Throw it in a calculator. I'm at 40%. I'm with my money back and 40% on my money. On the USDC, I put 500 in because it was my second project, and I was like, oh my God, I like the BUSD so much, I'm going to put double in for this one. And I also put double of that in for the BNB crop farmers. But I'm totally happy with this project because look, I've already got half of my money back, which is fantastic. And right here, in 1 hour and 26 minutes, I'll be hiring more farmers. I have 0 counts showing you that I just claimed. So you got to wait to 10 before you can claim. So when I actually hit the hiring here, it will be 1 time and then 2 times and so forth. So again, my 2 favorite projects on the internet right now, because I don't have to worry about the coin losing 30 to 70% next week or tomorrow. BUSD crop farmers that I've already got all my money back plus 40%, and USDC crop farmers that I'm halfway to my money. I think it'll be about 2 more weeks and I'll be broken even. And then on my 3rd week, I will start making the profit. But again, don't have to factor in like, I bought the drip at 100, now it's 18. I mean, that's a hard one to swallow. Not Strip's fault, it's just that the market's down right now. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So again, these are some awesome projects, BUSD crop farmers, USDC crop farmers, loving them both. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap to see some green, to talk about some positive stuff. It was red the other day. And I'm not a singer, but man, the red was terrible. But take a look at this, green. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin is up 1% at 29,000. Ethereum's up 3% at 2,000. BNB is up 8%, which is almost 300. XRP is up 10%. Fantastic. Cardano's up 10%. Solana's up 13%. Dogecoin's up 7%. This is just great, everybody. Look at Polkadot went down 26% in the week. It's up 20% for the day. So again, things are bouncing back. Avalanche has still got an ass kicking. It's down 42% for the week, but it's up 7% for the day. Tron's up 11%. Shiba's, not completely bounced back, 34% down for the week, but it bounced 19% back today. Polygon's about half too, 35% down, 12% for the day. I just like that there's green here. Look at the green. It's got to make, again, a reason I'm even focusing on this is just to show you that crypto is coming back. Internet computer was down 28% and bounced back 24% today. Look at Decentraland, even better. It was down 22% for the week. It's actually higher than when it started. Go, 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 Mana. 13%, 12% up, 12% up, 20% up, 8% up. Just again, spending a little time here. MKR was up 7% for the week, and it's up 7% for the day. Pancake Swap still got a little ass kicking, down 41% for the week, up 13%. But again, this is great signs that you see green on this. The other day, everything was red. So again, just wanted to bring that to you, that crypto is bouncing back. Hopefully we have a great Saturday today. Hopefully we have a good weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and the crypto keeps going up. Again, if you watch crypto, it goes like this. Remember what I said? It could go up in one day, down in one day, to the left and to the right. Strap in if you're in the cryptocurrency, because it's a crazy ride, and everybody, it really is. How about Luna? Luna was $100 a week ago, and it's like 4 or 5 zeros and then a 1, not even a cent. It's like it's almost like Shiba Inu right now. All right. Thanks. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click over here so you can look at my other USDC video, and you can see I was at $197. So if you watch this whole video and you see I'm over 250, the one before that, literally I was at 197. So I just claimed that 69 bucks. Fantastic. And click over here for my favorite one. And the only reason it's my favorite is because I got my money back plus 40%. My only mistake was, and who knew it was the first one, is I should have put more money in. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in on a Saturday, and we will see you a little bit later on today.